everyone, welcome to IAS Darshana. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. So today's topic of the day is My Bharat to organize National Voters Day Padayatra on Sundays Cycle 2026 across India. To mark National Voters Day 2026, Mera Yuva Bharat (MY Bharat) as autonomous body under the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India will organize a nationwide National Voters Day Padayatra or Sundays on cycle on 25th January 2026 with activities planned across the state and union territories capital and district headquarters observed manually to commemorate the foundation of the Election Commission of India. National Voters Day aims to promote informed, ethical and participative electoral engagements with a special focus on youth and first-time voters. Aligning with the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of Jan Bhagidari in Rashtra Nirman, the initiative seeks to place young citizens at the heart of the India's democratic process. The program will combine voters' awareness with physical fitness and community participation, integrating the Sundays on Cycle initiative to Khelo India, Sports Authority of India, wherever feasible. Through Padayatras and cycling activities, MY Bharat volunteers will engage communities, encourage voter registration and informed participation and promote democratic values in an inclusive and participatory manner. At 36 state or union capitals around 1000 MY Bharat, volunteers will participate in activities including flag off ceremonies by constitutional authorities, felicitation of first-time voters, voter awareness interactions, pledge taking, and a concluding public program. Similar activities will be organized across 763 districts involving district election officers, local administration elected representatives and approximately 500 volunteers per district will suitable local adaptations. Through this nationwide outreach, MY Bharat aims to strengthen democratic consciousness among youth and ensure a high visibility uniform observance of National Voters Day 2026 across the country. A district level press conference will be organized to brief the media on the initiative. The next topic for the day is Indian Railways all-weather connectivity to Kashmir Valley ensures reliable food grain supply, cuts logistic costs amid adverse weather. The first full rake of food grain, which is rice, reached Anantnag on 22nd January 2026, marking a major milestone in freight transportation to the Kashmir Valley and showcasing the strength of all-weather connectivity to the region. In a first of its kind achievement, a complete rake comprising 42 wagons carrying 2,768 centric tons of rice was transported to the Anantnag Foods shed by rail following sustained coordination with the Food Corporation of India (FCI) to reduce logistic costs. Earlier, only mini rakes comprising 21 wagons carrying 1,384 metric tons of food grain were moved to rail. However, this time the full rake was successfully loaded from Sangrur rail terminal in Punjab on 21st January and transported to Anantnag within 24 hours. Despite adverse weather conditions that had disrupted unloading activities a day earlier, the rake was successfully handled, providing a significant boost to the food grain supply chain and distribution network in the valley. The milestone marks an important beginning in strengthening the food grain distribution network in the Kashmir Valley. The transition from mini rakes and road-based transportation to full-capacity railway wagons is expected to significantly reduce overall logistics and freight costs while ensuring faster and more reliable movement of essential commodities. It will help maintain adequate buffer stocks in the valley, particularly during these adverse weather conditions, and improve the availability of food grains for local households. Reduce reliance on heavy truck traffic along national highways will also contribute to environmental benefits and improved efficiency. Building on the successful movement of apple, cement, fertilizer and now food grain, the rail-based logistics is supporting sustained economic activity resilience and long-term supply chain stability in the region. The developments underline the transformative impact of the Udhampur, Srinagar, Baramulla Rail Link USBRL, one of the most ambiguous railway engineering projects in independent India. Even as the valley experiences snowfall and challenging winter conditions, improved rail connectivity is strengthening trade and logistics, directly benefiting farmers, traders, and households by ensuring more dependable access to essential goods. So, this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.